Model, 2014 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDI 335L 130 flatbed starts drives needs head gasket. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 105,893. Engine, 2198 cc4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the head gasket will need replacing as the coolant is pressurizing, still starts and drives good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.